Question number 1. The great man theory is associated with which of the following approaches to studying leadership? A. Skills. B. Intelligences. C. Styles. D. Traits. And the correct answer is D. Question number 2. Father of administrative management. A. Mary Parkett. B. Lillian Gilbert. C. Henry Fayol. D. Elton Mayo. And the correct answer is C. Question number 3. A study relating to the fixing of the working hours with rest periods to recoup the energy while performing in a job is called A. Fatigue study. B. Time study. C. Motion study. D. Work study. And the correct answer is A. Question number 4. Contingent plan to meet environmental pressures is A. Objective. B. Strategies. C. Policies. D. Rules. And the correct answer is B. Question number 5. Henry Fayol was a French A. Industrialist. B. Writer. C. Manager. D. Actor. And the correct answer is A. Question number 6. Leadership behavior is influenced by certain qualities of a person is A. Followers theory. B. Trait theory. C. Situational theory. D. Managerial grid. And the correct answer is B. Question number 7. The word management is derived from which Latin word? A. Annus, meaning year. B. Magnus, meaning great. C. Magister, meaning master. D. Manus, meaning high. And the correct answer is D. Question number 8. Leader acts more as bosses than leadership style is A. Positive style. B. Negative style. C. Autocratic style. D. Democratic style. And the correct answer is B. Question number 9. A chronological sequence of steps to be undertaken to enforce a policy and to attain an objective is known as A. Objective. B. Strategies. C. Procedures. D. Rules. And the correct answer is C. Question number 10. A statement of expected results expressed in numerical terms for a definite period of time in the future is known as A. Objective. B. Strategies. C. Procedures. D. Budgets. And the correct answer is D. Question number 11. Every subordinate should receive orders from and be accountable to only one superior is A. Unity of direction. B. Unity of command. C. Centralization. D. Scalar chain. And the correct answer is B. Question number 12. Management is the art and science of decision-making and leadership. A. Harold Kuntz. B. Donald J. Clow. C. Lewis Allen. D. Terry. And the correct answer is B. Question number 13. Management is what a manger does. A. Peter F. Drucker. B. Terry. C. Lewis Allen. D. Henry Fayol. And the correct answer is C. Question number 14. Control system of an organization has no influence over the A. Internal environment. B. External environment. C. Customers. D. Government. And the correct answer is B. Question number 15. The harmonizing or synchronizing of individual efforts with the purpose of achieving group goals. A. Coordination. B. Control. C. Decision-making. D. Delegation. And the correct answer is A. Question number 16. Rigid plan, no scope for discretion. A. Rule. B. Schedules. C. Procedures. D. Budgets. And the correct answer is A. Question number 17. The chain of command from the highest authority to the lowest level in the organization is A. Unity of direction. B. Unity of command. C. Centralization. D. Scalar chain. And the correct answer is D. Question number 18. Management is an organ. Organs can be described and defined only through their functions. This definition was given by A. Peter F. Drucker. B. Terry. C. Lewis Allen. D. Henry Fayol. And the correct answer is A. Question number 19. The word leadership is said to come from the old word letter, meaning a road or path. What is the language origin of this word? A. Anglo-Saxon. B. Norman. C. Old Norse. D. Germanic. And the correct answer is A. Question number 20. Allotment of work to each worker on the basis of the capacity of an average worker functioning in the normal working condition is A. Social task planning. B. Scientific task planning. C. Nada planning. D. Scientific organizing. And the correct answer is B. Question number 21. The process of establishing a time sequence for the work is known as A. Objective, B. Schedules, C. Procedures, D. Budgets. And the correct answer is B. Question number 22. A leader exercises his power over his followers because of his position held in the organizational hierarchy is A. Autocratic leader, B. Intellectual leader, C. Liberal leader, D. Institutional leader. And the correct answer is D. Question number 23. Plan that establishes a required method of handling future activities is called A. Rules, B. Procedures, C. Policy, D. Methods. And the correct answer is B. Question number 24. The first and foremost function of management is A. Planning, B. Organizing, C. Controlling, D. Coordination. And the correct answer is A. Question number 25. Which is created for technological purpose? A. Formal organization, B. Informal organization, C. Business or organization, D. Strategic organization. And the correct answer is A. Question number 26. Planning lays down the overall objective, strategies, and policies for the total enterprises. A. Corporate planning, B. Divisions planning, C. Unit planning, D. Department planning. And the correct answer is A. Question number 27. The leader who excels as a leader because of his superior knowledge is A. Autocratic leader, B. Intellectual leader, C. Liberal leader, D. Institutional leader. And the correct answer is B. Question number 28. Steps to be taken for selecting salespersons is an example of A. Rules, B. Procedures, C. Policy, D. Methods. And the correct answer is B. Question number 29. Study of the movements of both the workers and the machine to eliminate wasteful movement is A. Fatigue study, B. Time study, C. Motion study, D. Work study. And the correct answer is C. Question number 30. A leader who serves as the head of the family and treats his followers like his family members is A. Paternalistic leader, B. Intellectual leader, C. Liberal leader, D. Institutional leader. And the correct answer is A. Question number 31. Set of clear instruction in a clear and logical sequence to perform a particular task. A. Rules. B. Program. C. Policy. D. Methods. And the correct answer is B. Question number 32. The assumptions about future derived from forecasting and used in planning are known as A. Planning premises. B. Freehold premises. C. Business premises. D. Corporate premises. And the correct answer is A. Question number 33. Management is A. An art. B. A science. C. An art and a science. D. An art not science. And the correct answer is C. Question number 34. Supply of human and material resources and helps to achieve the objective of business is A. Planning. B. Organization. C. Management. D. Control. And the correct answer is B. Question number 35. Strategic planning is A. Long-term planning. B. Medium-term planning. C. Short-term planning. D. Annual planning. And the correct answer is A. Question number 36. Pioneer of human relations is A. Mary Parkett. B. Lillian Gilbert. C. Henry Fayol. D. Elton Mayo. And the correct answer is D.